1 plus sec A is equal to, um, we
Okay.
can square it.
No, don't square. Don't do anything. I will explain. In this case, let us begin with LHS. Let us begin with the LHS. We studied in the first class itself. We studied that CK is 1 by cos A. CK is what? 1 by cos A. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Denominator is CK, again 1 by cos A. I want to reduce. How can I reduce it? Just do the cross multiplication. 1 into cos A plus 1. I will write here cos A plus 1. ബെനഡിക്റ്റിന് ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ചോദിച്ചോ. ഓക്കെ. cos A plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. Clear? Both of you clear? Samriddhi and Benedict, both of you clear? So in the next step, what happens is divide by cos A cancels. By cos A cancel. So only cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A. Cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A. Only that term is remaining. Other term cancels. But unfortunately, RHS is not 1 plus cos A. RHS is not 1 plus cos A. So reducing cos A plus 1 to RHS is not easy. So we can simplify RHS. There is no problem. We can simplify LHS. If the LHS is not equal to RHS, don't worry, we will simplify RHS also. We will simplify RHS. So RHS says that, Samriddhi, if you have finished this solution, you can tell me. Okay. RHS is sin square A by 1 minus cos A. It should be equal to 1 plus cos A. How can I prove it? Sin square A in the previous class. Samriddhi, do you remember that? In the previous class, Benedict, we studied in the previous class that sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. We have studied this identity in the previous class. Benedict, if you don't know, you please write somewhere, memorize it now. Sin square A is 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Samriddhi, you understood? Samriddhi, okay, you understood. So in the next step, you know that 1 minus cos square A is 1 square minus cos square A. Can I read like that? Yes, 1 square minus cos square A. It is A square minus B square. You know that. A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? It is A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Denominator is 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A cancels. I got 1 plus cos A. LHS is 1 plus cos A. RHS also 1 plus cos A. So I can write LHS equal to RHS. So in this way also you can prove it. Simplify LHS, simplify RHS. If they are equal, I can write LHS equal to RHS. Understood? So all of you please write down. If you have written and understood, if you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Lina, okay, you joined. I did not see you, Lina. You were present in the last class, right, Lina? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think by today's class this chapter will be over. We can have separate classes for previous year question discussion, and also if there is any exam announced in your school, you please inform me. Okay, I will note it.
Okay, sir.
So if you have written, raise your hand. Benedict.
Yes, sir.
You have written? No. Benedict, have you written?
No, sir. Just 1 minute.
Okay, okay, okay. Others, please just wait 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Done. There will be one question. You just practice the textbook questions because the similar question will be asked in board exam. Okay, so all the difficult questions are there in exercise. Many questions I discussed in the previous class. Okay, then let me discuss that. Which one? Seventh one. I think I didn't. I have not discussed seventh one. 1 minute. Let me check. A few questions I discussed in the previous class. Okay, okay. Seventh one. I will discuss all the NCERT problems. Let me discuss seventh one now. Let me discuss seventh one. Show that question. And Samriddhi, if you get the answer, you please raise your hand. I will give you a separate question. All of you please remove your raise hand. All of you please remove your raise hand. Lina, remove your raise hand. So we have a show that question. We have a show that question. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. We have to prove it. So in this case, let me begin with the LHS. Remember, for the simplification purpose, in every question, for the simplification purpose, if you see the same term in, if you see the same number, you can take the common term outside. In the numerator, sin theta is common. Is that correct? Yes. In the numerator, sin theta is common. So whenever you see common term, don't wait, take it outside. In most of all the question we do like that. I can take sin theta outside from the numerator. So if I take sin theta outside, only 1 is remaining here. And from here, 1 sin theta is taken out. So 2 sin square theta is remaining. 1 sin is lost. So 2 sin square theta is remaining. Okay, understood. So in the next step, what I can do, denominator also. Can I take 1 cos theta outside? Yes. I can take cos theta outside. So from 2 cos cube theta, 1 cos is taken. 2 cos square theta remaining. Minus. And 1 cos is lost. 1 is remaining. Till this step you are okay, right? Lina, Samriddhi, Benedict, everyone is clear. Samriddhi, okay. Benedict, you understood. You can understand. Benedict, this step is okay. So remove your raise hand. Remove your raise hand. So sin theta, what I can do is sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, right? Or I will write it later. No, don't worry. I will write sin theta by cos theta later. Tan theta, okay. Numerator 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Can I cancel them? No. I cannot cancel them. So let me do one adjustment. 1 minus 2 into, listen carefully, sin square theta. In the previous class, we studied two identity that 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. And 1 minus sin square. Benedict, if you don't know, you please write it somewhere. In the previous classes, we studied these two identities. 1 minus sin square cos square and 1 minus cos square sin square. Okay. So let me write sin square as 1 minus cos square. Because denominator containing cos square. So numerator also cos square, then there is a chance that both of them cancel. Denominator containing cos square. If the numerator also contain cos square, there is a good chance that both the term cancel. So let us try that possibility. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Let us check. Let me write here. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. By cos theta into, let me write all the steps. After that, you can ask me doubt. Okay, let me complete. You can ask me doubt after that. So sin square is written as 1 minus cos square. I can open the bracket here. Understood. 1 minus. Yes. Minus 2 is taken inside the bracket. Samruddhi, you finished. Okay, very good. Samruddhi, you finished. So I will give you one question for you. Cosec theta by cosec theta plus 1 plus cosec theta by cosec theta minus 1. Sorry, cosec theta minus 1. It is a show that question. Equal to 2 sec theta. 1 minute. Simplify. Okay, let me write simplify. Okay. Maybe it may be like think about a multiple choice question. Okay. Samruddhi, you please simplify. You will get a simplified answer. By that time, let me complete it. Samruddhi. I will discuss for you if you are not getting. Lina and Benedict, you please listen here. Lina and Benedict. Lina, okay. 1 minus, minus 2 into 1. Here minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus cos square. Minus 2 into minus cos square. Plus 2 cos square. Once I finish, you can ask me doubt. Denominator is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So sin theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. So numerator is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And denominator is cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 cancel. Numerator and denominator. Sin theta by cos theta we studied in the beginning itself. Tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta, what is that? Tan theta. RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. So all of you please write down. If you are okay and written, raise your hand. Samruddhi, have you got the answer of that question?
No, sir, I'm still doing.
Okay. Lina finished. Benedict, if you have written, you can raise your hand. Not finished, Benedict? Benedict, have you written? No response from your side. Next is
Sir, I finished.
finished. Okay. So the next is, so which question I discussed? The seventh one. Okay. Now let me discuss eighth one. There are indirect questions, plenty of indirect questions. Let me discuss that seventh one. Okay. Samarthi, you can do that question later. Listen here. If you got the answer of this one, okay, you can continue that one. So all of you listen. Samarthi, Lina, Benedict. So it is a show that question. LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Anybody, do you have any idea how will you do it? How will you do this question? We have to prove that it is CK plus tan A. Anybody have idea? Samruddhi, Lina, Benedict, any idea? No idea. So I will discuss. Listen. Remember, this identity I have already discussed. I don't want to write again. 1 minus sine square and 1 minus cos square. These are very, very important identities. 1 minus sine square, cos square. Don't forget. So whenever you see 1 minus sine square, you have to write it as cos square. So in the left side there is a square root. In the right side there is no square root. I will explain one method. Please memorize this technique. After this I will give you one similar question. So if you see this type of question, you have to multiply denominator and numerator. You have to multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator. Please remember this type of question. Only this method is possible, no other technique is possible. Inside the square root, multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator. Conjugate of 1 minus sin A will be 1 plus sin A. Why I am multiplying with the conjugate? Is there any logic? Yeah, definitely. Because 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A will be 1 minus sin square A. A plus B into A minus B. So I will get 1 minus sin square A. That's the reason why I am multiplying with the conjugate. Okay, you can ask me doubt, but let me complete it first. Inside the square root, I am doing this multiplication. Here 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A will be 1 plus sin A whole square. And denominator, A plus B into A minus B will be A square minus B square. So 1 square minus sin square. 1 square minus sin square. So 1 plus sin A whole square. What is this? 1 minus sin square is cos square A. Not difficult question, but remember the first step. Can I take the square root for numerator and denominator? Yes. If you take the square root, square root of square of a number, you will get 1 plus sin A. If you take the square root of square of a number, then square is removed. 1 plus sin A numerator. Root cos square A will be cos A. Is it the right hand side? No. I can split into 2. How? The first term by denominator plus second term by denominator. So 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is CK. And sin A by cos A will be tan A. This is RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. All of you please write down. If you are okay, return, raise your hand. Lina understood. Samriddhi, okay. Samriddhi, you please try other question. Benedict, you have to raise your hand if you have finished. 1 minute.
Sir, the previous question that you gave me, I have done it till the step I got
1 minute, 1 minute.
2 cosec
Tell me, which answer you got?
2 cosec square theta
Hmm.
by cot square theta.
You have to reduce it further. You can reduce further. 1 minute. I will discuss. Don't worry. You try to simplify. Cosec is 1 by sine. Cot is cos by sine, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let me give you one. Benedict, you finish. Let me give you one similar question. Same technique. Same technique. You have to do this question right now and send me the answer through WhatsApp. I will wait for 2 minutes time. Okay. I will give you 2 minutes. Similar to previous question. Okay. Do it right now and send me the answer through WhatsApp. Okay. Lina, 1 minute. I have not seen. 1 minute. Lina, you have sent the answer. Let me see. Yes, Lina, very good. Correct. Samruddhi, let me see your answer. Yes, very good. Correct.
Sir, I've got the other one.
You try the other one. Okay. All of
Sir,
you
I've
have.
got the answer.
You got the answer. What is the answer you got?
2 by cos theta or 2 sec theta.
Yes, very good. Very good. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. ബെനഡിറ്റ് ഓക്കെ പിന്നീട് നോക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ബെനഡിറ്റ് ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയോ? കുറച്ച് സ്റ്റെപ്പുകളെങ്കിലും എഴുതി കാണുമല്ലോ ബെനഡിറ്റ്, ഇല്ലേ? കുറച്ച് സ്റ്റെപ്പെങ്കിലും നേരത്തെ ചെയ്ത പോലെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ വിത്ത് കോഞ്ചുഗേറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യും, ഒന്നുകൂടി ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പിന്നീട് നോക്കാം. ഡോണ്ട് വറി. ഓക്കെ, സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് the next. So let me discuss the 7th one I discussed. So 8th one, let me discuss 8th one. So sin a plus cosec a all square plus cos a plus sec a all square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So let me begin. Anybody, what will be the first step? Anybody? What will be the first step? Can you suggest the first step? So I will discuss that. I will discuss. The left side is a plus b all square. Can I expand it? If you don't understand, you can ask me. A plus b all square, left side. A square plus 2ab 2 sin a cosec a plus cosec square a. Then second term is also a plus b all square. Cos square a plus 2 cos a sec a plus sec square a. This step is clear. You please reply. Please reply. Have you understood this step? Benedict, Samruddhi, Lina.
Sir, sin square a plus cosec square a equal to 1.
No, sin square a plus cosec square a is not 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is actually 1. Understood? Till this step, okay. Benedict understood. Alle, Benedict just square ചെയ്തു, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. And remember, we studied identity. Sin square a plus cos square a. What is that? Sin square a plus cos square a. Do you remember? We studied in the previous class. Benedict, we studied it in previous class. Let me group them. Let me group them. Sin square a plus cos square a. And I can write it as 1, but let me, we have to show that step. In the exam, there will be, this question carries some 5 mark, I think so. So there should be sufficient steps. There should be sufficient step. 2 into sin a into cosec a is there. That cosec a, you know, 1 by sin a. You know that. Cosec a is 1 by sin a. Cosec square a, I will write it later. For the time being, let me copy that. Here 2 cos a sec a. 2 cos a into sec a will be 1 by cos a. Cosec a is 1 by sin a. Okay, I have written that. And sec square a is sec square a itself. Cosec square a, sec square a, for the time being, I will simplify in the next step. Okay. Right now, we have no idea what is to be done for cosec square and sec square. Let it be cosec square and sec square itself. I will do the steps in the next step. I will arrange it. So what I have done is sine square a and cos square a written together. Here sine into cosec is sine into 1 by sine. Here cos into sec is cos into 1 by cos. Understood? All of you clear? Lina, understood. Samardhi, Benedict, clear? Samardhi, Benedict, clear?
Clear, sir.
What is that? Sine square a plus cos square a? Sine square a plus cos square a 1. We have an identity. We have studied yesterday, previous class. Sine a cancelled. Here 2 into 1 will be 2. 2 into 1 will be 2. Cosec square a, right now we have no idea. I simply copy that. Cos a cancelled. We get 2. Sec square a, right now we have no idea. I am simply copying that. So cosec square a plus sec square a, let me write it. The order you can change in the case of addition. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Till this step you are okay? Till this step? Till this step all of you clear? Benedict, Lina, Samardhi, everyone is clear.
Okay, sir.
And for cosec square a, is it the RHS? Is it the RHS? No. RHS does not contain cosec square. Also sec square a is not there in RHS. I have to bring tan square and cot square. This should be converted in terms of tan square and cot square. RHS contains tan square, cot square. So how can I convert to tan square and cot square? We studied one identity in the previous class. You can refer your notebook if you have any doubt. In the previous class, we studied this identity. 1 plus cot square a equal to cosec square a. If you have any doubt, you may refer the previous class note. 1 plus cot square cosec square. And this one also we studied in the previous class. 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a. So I am using that identity here. So cosec square a, can I write cosec square a as 1 plus cot square a? Yes. Because RHS contains cot square, that is why. Can I write sec square a as 1 plus tan square? Yes. Sec square a, 1 plus tan square a, we studied that identity. Plus 5. Some mistake, no mistake. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. The order you can change as you wish. Tan square plus cot square. This is the RHS. So I proved that LHS equal to RHS. So you have to be thorough with the identities. So all of you please write down. If you have written and understood, raise your hand. Samriddhi finished. Lina, okay, completed. All of you have finished. Okay. I will give you one question. 1 minute. I will give you one question. I will come back within 2 minutes. By that time, you try this question. Or else I will show you. It is. I will discuss after that. Okay. Show that it is not there in textbook, but you can expect a few questions outside NCERT. You can expect a few questions outside NCERT. Okay. You know that. It is a show that question. Not so hard. You try. You try this question. So next is The next is which question next? There is a one tough question. Two questions are still remaining. All other question, almost other question I finished. Almost all other questions I finished. Here the fourth one is very simple question. What about fourth one? Did I discuss? No, I think I have not discussed the fourth one. It is a multiple choice question. It is a multiple choice question. I will cover all the problem from NCERT. Okay. So look at this question. It is very simple question. Okay. It is a very simple question. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. Any idea? Lina, Samruddhi, Benedict, any idea? No idea. So please listen.
1 plus tan square.
Ah, yes, yes, very good. 1 plus tan square a. You studied 1 plus tan square a, not LHS. Let me write the question. 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. There are two methods. One method is there is an identity. After this class, you please memorize all the identity today itself. 1 plus tan square a, you have written identity sec square a. You can refer your notebook, you have written that. 1 plus cot square a, we have an identity cosec square a. Understood? So sec square a by cosec square a, sec square a will be 1 by cos square a. We can write like this because ck is 1 by cos a. Ck is 1 by cos a. So sec square a 1 by cos square a. Simple. Cosec a 1 by sin a. So cosec square a will be 1 by sin square a. So 1 by cos square a into, division, multiplying with the reciprocal. We will multiply with the reciprocal of denominator. Let me complete it. Let me complete it. After that, you can ask me doubts. Lina, if you don't understand, you please ask me. Okay, I am ready. Okay, you can please ask. You are not asking me doubt. 1 into sin square a, sin square a. 1 into cos square a, cos square a. Sin square a by cos square a. Can I write like this? Actually, this step is not required, but let me write. Otherwise, you will have a confusion. Can I write a common square outside? Numerator has square, denominator also has square. So, can I take square common? Sin a by cos a, tan a. Tan a square, understood. Tan a square, what is that? Tan square a, denoted as tan square a. Option D is the correct answer. So method is clear. So you must be familiar with all identities. Okay. So please write down and please ask me doubt if you don't understand. Lina, okay, you understood. Samruddhi, clear. Benedict, identities പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് വളരെ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ ബെനഡിക്റ്റ്. If you have written, raise your hand. Benedict. Completed. The next is still there are questions. Which question? Tan theta. Okay. All this problem, all other questions I discussed. So let me discuss the third one. It is a tough question. Third one is a tough question. They have written the hint method is written, but in exam the method will not be mentioned. The method will not be mentioned. It is one of the difficult question in this exercise. There are two difficult questions. This is the one of them. This is one of them. It is a difficult question. So there are various methods. One of the method I will discuss. There are various methods. Various methods means one method you may begin with the cross multiplication. I mean addition. For addition you may begin with the cross multiplication. You will get the answer, but the number of steps will be much, I mean more, if you do like this. You will not get a simplified expression if you do like this. So let me do in another way. In most of the show that questions, tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. Not always. In most of the simplification questions, tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. 1 minus cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta. We have studied that. Okay. Plus cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta. Denominator 1 minus tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. In most of the simplification problems, if the LHS contain tan and cot, I mean I suggest 90% of the question. If the left hand side containing tan or cot, in most of the questions we start with this step. Tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin. This is the way, okay? And the other way also you can try. In whichever way you try, you will get the answer ultimately. This step is clear? All of you clear this step? The next step is, okay, everyone understood. Lina understood. So sin theta by cos theta. The solution is lengthy, but listen, there is a good chance that this may be asked as a 5-mark question. There is a very good chance. Can I cross multiply this? 1 into sin minus cos. Sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus. And the numerator side cos theta by sin theta. Cross multiplication, the denominator gives you cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. You please write it. If you have written till this step, and no doubt, raise your hand. Samriddhi understood. Benedict, you left. Benedict, you left. What happened?
Here, net issue.
Okay. Okay, I will send the recorded class. Okay. So listen. What I have done is tan is written as sin by cos, cot is written as cos by sin. Okay. And in the denominator, I did the cross multiplication. And again, let me simplify. Sin theta by cos theta is there in the numerator. Okay. You know that. Division. If there is division, you need to multiply with the reciprocal. Sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. You know, for the division, you will multiply with the reciprocal. Here also cos theta, 1 minute, yes. Cos theta by sin theta. There is also division, multiply with the reciprocal. Is it okay? All of you clear this step? Lina, Samruddhi, Benedict, clear? In the next step, what I can do? In the next step, sin theta into sin theta. Can you see? Sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. Is that correct? cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. By sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Can I make an adjustment here? Can I make an adjustment here? Why I make the adjustment, I will tell you. Here you can see sin theta minus cos theta. But here is small difference. Here it is sin theta minus cos theta, but here is cos theta minus sin theta. If they are same, I can take outside. There is a benefit if they are same. A small difference. This is sin minus cos, this is cos minus sin. But there is a way, I will tell you. Cos theta minus sin theta is, I will tell you. Cos theta minus sin theta is minus 1 into. Cos theta minus sin theta is minus 1 into sin theta minus cos theta. There is no problem. Because minus 1 into sin minus cos. If you open the bracket, you can see minus 1 into sin minus cos. If you open, you will get cos theta minus sin theta. You can check it. Why I am writing like this? I want to take sin minus cos outside for the simplification purpose. All of it clear? This step? Lina, Samarde, Benedict, this step is clear? So, in the next step, can I take any term outside? I will show you. Sin theta minus cos theta is present in the first term. Sin theta minus cos theta also present in the second term. Can I take 1 by sin theta minus cos theta outside? It is in the denominator side, that is why. From both the terms, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta taken outside. What is remaining? Sin square theta by cos theta here. And here in the next term. In the next term, minus 1 is there. Minus 1 can be written separately. Can you see a negative sign here? That is written first. We can take the negative sign to the numerator side. Cos square theta by sin theta. Okay, I hope you have understood. This is a tough question. It is a 5-mark question. Okay. All of you clear? Benedict, Lina, Samruddhi, all of you clear? So, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. Can I subtract? Yes. How can you subtract? By doing cross multiplication. Sin square theta into sin theta. Sin square into sin cube theta. Cos square into cos cube theta. Denominator will be cos theta into sin theta. So this one is also okay. Next step is a cube minus b cube. You studied in the 9th standard last year. A cube minus b cube. Do you remember the factorization of a cube minus b cube? Anybody? Last year you studied a cube minus b cube. Any idea? No idea. Then if you don't remember, please write it. A cube minus b cube is, we studied one important identity in the chapter polynomials. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. Never forget. It is required in many other questions. A square plus ab plus b square. Please write it somewhere if you don't remember this. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Let me finish it. After that you can leave. So this is it a cube minus b cube form? Yes. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into sine theta minus cos theta into a square plus ab plus b square. A square will be sine square. A square will be sine square. AB. AB will be sine theta cos theta. Plus b square will be cos square. Denominator, there is another sine theta minus cos theta in the denominator side, and one cos theta sine theta in the denominator. So what I have done is a cube minus b cube is written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So sine theta minus cos theta cancel in the numerator side. Numerator and denominator. Let me complete it. After that you can ask me doubt. Okay. Any other simplification? Yes. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Can you see that? Sine square. First of all, 1 minute. First of all, 1 minute. Here there is sine theta cos theta. Can you see? That sine theta cos theta written first. That is written first. What is the sine square plus cos square? It is an identity. 1.
1.
Denominator is cos theta sine theta. Right? Cos theta sine theta. In the next step you will get the answer, or 1 or 2 steps. We can split into 2. We can split into 2. How? I will show you. Sine theta cos theta by cos theta sine theta plus 1 by cos theta sine theta. Can you see? If you are not able to see, you can zoom it. We can split into 2. First term by denominator plus second term by denominator. Let me write the remaining steps in this side. I want to write every step in the same page. The remaining step, okay? Let me write here. Here sine theta cos theta cancelled. You will get 1. Other one is 1 by cos theta sine theta. You may write like this. 1 by cos into 1 by sine. Is that correct? Yes. 1 by cos theta sine theta is 1 by cos into 1 by sine. 1 into 1, 1. Yes, it is 1 by cos theta sine theta. So 1 plus 1 by cos is sec theta. 1 by sine theta is cosec theta. RHS. All of you please write down. If you are okay and return, raise your hand.
Sir, in the third last step, you got sine theta minus cos theta.
1 minute.